And doing this video is I'm having a problem with the sun and the moon. I'm sitting down by the beach, and I'm down by the beach, and I'm writing a story, I'm writing a story, I'm writing a story, and all of a sudden the moon, the sun, and then the ocean just washes away in the sand and takes away, and my story's all washed up. Because of the moon and the sun and the oceans onto the sand, you have a clean slate every single time. Where is the ocean in your mind? Where is the VAG? V-A-G. Life of the angel gates, life of the alternate gates. This one can also be in gamma, as in gamma ray, because it's a first word. It's not a last word. Remember, forward and backwards, they all say Greeks are from the other side, so instead of starting at 1, let's start at 7. Maybe the first letter in the alphabet is gamma, as 7. It is the total of both 1 and 6, which is, what is it, theta? Is theta? Zeta, theta? Theta, zeta, not kappa, that's the 12th. Mu is the 12th, that's the 13th. I'm studying the Greek alphabet now. So, this over here says life, angel, game. AG, it's a small a. V has a V inside of it, has an E in it. It says it gave. Multi-level. The minute we get to this floor over here, right, this ends up to be 1 block of 9. 1 block of 9 is more than 1 floor. Every floor is so many feet. It's almost like a block is 110. So that's what I was thinking right now. That's what I was thinking. I'm going to show you some of these designs that I'm putting together. One over the other creates this in the center. I have one design I wanted to show out here. The bottom and the top of the building, the top and the bottom, the top and the bottom. Takes this much space, the top and the bottom. 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 7, 7. See the man in the center wearing the hat? This is his body. 10, 20, 30. Top left, bottom right. This one goes from here to this zone and then to this zone. 1, 2, 3 zones. 1, 2, 3 zone. Over 1, 2 to the right. Over 1, 2 to the left. 2 up, 2 over. 3. This is a 6 area. Every area is 12 feet. 72. It's a 12 area, 12 area. Each one is 12 times 6 is 72 because you go from 9 to 3. That's 72 per foot because that's how high the ceilings are between the floors. That's what we got to use. You want quarter moons? Moon quarters running off a central station. Whether these are sending out the waves or not, okay, I'm not sure what these are doing yet. I have to see the systems. I don't know the systems that are built, but these are the information I get. This is what 1 can do. And remember about 1 and 1. This happens to be the clock, okay? There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 1 left. 2, excuse me, you need 1 in the center. You have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Always start off 3, and then always 2s after that. We're always going to go around the center. This is the clock. So 1 o'clock, 90 minutes, 45 minutes, every 45 minutes you're going to see something. 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, it says 3 o'clock and 1,500 hours. That's right. In the Army, they talk in 100 hours. 100 human, second red. Okay? Second set of red. Artificial spirit. This can also be used as the dartboard. 2550. Triple area and double area on the outside. And then the ends of the feathers. You want to understand inside and outside? 1 and 9 on the outside, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6. This whole video to get to this. Have you ever seen bicycle cards? 808, 808. The 2 pigs, 1 and 1. The opposite side of this 1 and 1, okay, is the 6 cube. 6 cube, right, goes down at the bottom. But what happens there? 1 cube here. Remember, there's 2 more cubes here. There's a cube here in the top, right? And there's a cube here in the side, a cube here in the side, and a cube here. How many cubes to go up to get to this area? See the way this goes up and then over, up and then over? I forget what I was building when I did this 808 bicycle cards. See the way this looks like it's going down? Because there's another one. The 1-7 is because, does anybody count the basement? You might have 1 and 6 on the cube. Or 1 and 6 on the cube, right? But we go down into the basement. 2 and 5 on the cube, that's your second floor. And 5 up. 3, okay, and 4. So you go into the basement first, before you begin. And your basement, okay, the foundation, what is that it is supported by, you're into the basement, the foundation is inside the earth. It's not on top of the earth. It's inside the earth, the foundation. So you dig the cement border forget what you call that. There's not the four ends, the borderline. It's the before you build the floors, you have to build the, there's a thing, it looks like a T that goes all the way around, and that's a support for your walls in the ground, and then they pour your floor, and then they pour your walls. So there's everything else, and this says your 808. These are your twin towers standing up. And now you have one that controls two. I didn't put building 7 and do the whole design, but I can put different to here. And again, 808. See the way it comes down over here? The funneling system?